In the kitchen, the machine on the left is a washer and dryer, and the machine on the right is the dryer. So I would recommend to use the dryer. Before you use it, open the door and clean the filter here. Put your clothes and close the door. Then open the drawer here. This is where the water comes. So empty the water in the sink. Put it back. If this drawer is full, the machine will not work. Or it will start, but it will not dry. Then select the program that fits you the best. So personally, I use Mix. This is how long a cycle is going to be. You can increase the spinning, which will reduce the cycle. And then you start here. If you want to pause the machine, push again here. If you want to stop it, you come back here on arrêt. Arrêt means stop. If you want to use the other machine to dry, so you will have to turn it on and select a program here. This program is wash and dry. Okay, and you push play.